Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by measuring the base. Use 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 1/2 cup sour cream, and 1/2 cup buttermilk for a balanced, creamy texture. Add dry seasonings, 1 tsp garlic powder and 1 tsp onion powder for savory depth, plus 1/2 tsp salt and 1/4 tsp black pepper. Fold in fresh herbs. Include 1 tablespoon each of chopped parsley and chives, and 1 tsp dried dill for classic ranch aroma. Optionally, add 1 tsp lemon juice or 1 tablespoon white vinegar for brightness. Combine everything in a medium bowl and whisk all wet ingredients until smooth, ensuring there are no lumps from the sour cream. Stir in the herbs and spices, then taste. Adjust salt and lemon juice by up to 1/2 tsp increments until the balance is bright but not sour. If you prefer thicker dip, chill the mixture at least 30 minutes to let flavors meld and thicken. For a pourable dressing, whisk in extra buttermilk, 1 tablespoon at a time to reach desired consistency. Transfer the finished ranch into an airtight container and store in the refrigerator. It will keep up to 7 days while flavors gradually mellow. When ready to use, bring the container to room temperature for about 10 minutes and whisk briefly to recombine separated liquids for a smooth pour. Serve your ranch with fresh vegetables, as a salad dressing, or as a sandwich spread. This recipe yields about 1/2 cups, and you can scale ingredients proportionally for larger batches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.